When I came here, I thought that all of my interests were spread way far out across the spectrum. I thought that I had artistic interests, and then I had math interests, and then I had scientific interests, and then I had career interests. And kind of what South has showed me is that it's not about picking a career and pursuing that with picking your interests to pursue that career. It's about taking your interests and saying, what can I do with these interests to create one cohesive career, but also life. I grew up in Colorado and I was always a planner. So I started looking at schools actually in middle school, and it took me 3 years to pick a college, and it wasn't South Alabama. I did the Distinguished Young Woman program, and when I did that program, I visited South, and it became home immediately. That whole aspect of adapting to what my college plan was going to be kind of set the tone for a lot of changes down the road that I was not anticipating. I realized that my time was being devoted to my interests and not towards my career. I changed my major to biology and math, and that was one of the hardest things that I've done, making that decision to pursue my interests instead of what I thought my career was going to look like. South definitely gave me the opportunity. The administration were definitely encouraging me. My professor in genetics ended up being my research mentor. He pushed me to seize the opportunities that were presented to me. So working in the lab, it changed my entire career plan, but also it gave me the platform to be doing what I want to do in the future. So studying cancer and doing cancer research is what I want to do with my career. When I came to South, I saw a lot of my friends that were very passionate in specific areas, but didn't know how to apply that passion. And so one thing that I saw myself doing was helping people to know how to use their passion. So that's when I found the Center for Academic Excellence, and they were actually one of the best services I found on any campus to offer tutoring to all of their students for free. So I'm a peer academic mentor, and so what we do is we help fellow students to not only understand content, which is what a lot of people believe tutoring is, but we help people to identify how to learn. We have the tools because we've been there. We've had to be in these classes. We know what it takes to succeed in them, and that you can actually apply those tools. So something that I use a lot when I tutor is learning styles. And so if someone's a very visual learner, then we'll draw things out and we'll make visual maps and we'll make sure that they understand it the way they need to understand it. So we're really there as a resource for practicing, we're there as a resource for understanding how to learn. And we're also there as content mentors. I have had students start tutoring sessions with, I think I'm gonna drop this class, but I'm gonna give it one last shot. And helping to guide them in that is something that's so personally satisfying to me, because I know how important it has been to me to have other people that have said, okay, I know you don't know how to get there, but I'm gonna help you see the steps.